Streaming on Twitch for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the ways we can stream on Twitch as a complete beginner. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you are basically a complete beginner in the Twitch platform, you would like to start streaming like many people do. It is actually fairly simple, not bit of a much process. First of all, you have to choose a platform from where you'd like to start streaming. You might want to stream from mobile, you might want to stream from laptop. If you're doing from computer, I would recommend you use OBS Studio for the start, which is decently good if you are short on budget, because this is a completely free application, by the way. Or you can also use Twitch Studio, which you can simply start streaming right from the Twitch Studio app here. You don't have to download any external app. So depending upon what you'd like to use, you can just hit the start stream option, and then you can go ahead and then basically log into your account, start streaming whatever is on your computer. Or you can simply choose a full screen application here and then choose which application only would you like to capture here, depending upon the game that you'd like to capture here. And this way you should be able to start streaming on Twitch as a beginner. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.